Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to easily clone websites, for example for social engineering during red teaming. But first let me once again mention the disclaimer. All my videos are for education purposes and ethical hacking. The videos are not intended as guides for illegal activities, alright? Now enjoy the video. The first tool we can use is HTTrack. The program's last version is from 2017, so it's not very good for modern websites, but it still works for older ones. However, I will show you another tool that's great for today's web. The tool is called Save All Resources, aka ResourcesSaver. It's a Google Chrome extension that you can easily add to Chrome. Next, it's a good idea to switch to the latest version and follow the instructions, which means restarting the browser before using it for the first time. After that, just go to the website you want to clone, for example facebook.com login page. Open the developer tools panel, which you can do by pressing F12. Then you will see the ResourcesSaver option in the toolbar. To make the website look like the original, don't forget to click the Beautify HTML, CSS, JS, JSON files option. After that, you can download the files by clicking Save All Resources. You will get a zip file with all the necessary files. Once you extract the zip file, you can run the website entirely offline. As you can see, the site is exactly the same. Once you have the static offline page, you can play around with it and add your own login code, possibly using AI, which I will show you in another video. Some websites try to protect themselves against this kind of copying, but you can always manually create a similar page. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share this channel. Thank you very much.